Hey there, universe nerds. When we look at space, it seems like everything is separated by endless emptiness. Galaxies look like lonely islands floating in a cosmic ocean. But what if that ocean isn't empty at all? In fact, it's filled with something called the intergalactic medium, or IgM, the vast, thin gas that stretches between galaxies, connecting everything in a cosmic web. It's invisible to our eyes, but it makes up a huge portion of the universe's normal matter. It's like the glue that holds the cosmos together, quietly shaping galaxies and fueling their evolution. Let's rewind to the beginning. After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot plasma of particles, mostly hydrogen and helium. As it expanded and cooled, atoms formed and light finally began to travel freely, creating the cosmic microwave background. But most of that gas didn't form stars or galaxies right away. Instead, it spread out across space, forming the intergalactic medium, a kind of diffuse fog filling the universe. Over billions of years, gravity pulled that gas into filaments and sheets, creating the vast web-like structure we now call the cosmic web. If you could see the universe in its full glory, not just the stars, but also the gas between them, it would look like a glowing web of light, enormous threads of hydrogen stretching between clusters of galaxies. These filaments are where galaxies are born, and between them lie giant empty regions called voids. The intergalactic medium flows along these filaments like rivers of gas, feeding galaxies the fuel they need to grow and form stars. In a way, the IgM is the universe's bloodstream, circulating material across billions of light years. The intergalactic medium might sound peaceful, but it's anything but static. As galaxies form and evolve, they shoot powerful winds and jets of hot gas back into the IgM. Supernovae and black holes blast matter and energy into the space between galaxies, heating it up to millions of degrees. Meanwhile, gravity continues to pull cooler gas inward, recycling it into new generations of stars. This constant back and forth, gas flowing in, energy flowing out, is how the universe keeps itself balanced. For a long time, astronomers couldn't see the IgM directly. It's far too thin to emit visible light. But in the 1990s, scientists discovered a clever trick, looking for its shadow. When light from distant quasars, those super bright galactic cores, passes through the IgM, it gets absorbed by hydrogen atoms along the way. This creates a series of faint absorption lines in the quasar's spectrum, known as the Lyman alpha forest. Each line represents a cloud of gas somewhere between us and the quasar. By studying these patterns, astronomers can literally map the invisible matter of the universe. What they found was astonishing. The intergalactic medium isn't evenly distributed at all. It forms filaments and clusters that match the locations of galaxies, confirming the cosmic web model. Most of the ordinary matter, the stuff that makes up stars, planets, and us, isn't actually in galaxies. It's floating out there in the IgM, thin as air, but vast beyond comprehension. And even today, some of that matter remains missing, not because it's gone, but because it's hard to detect. Recent X-ray and UV observations have begun finding this missing matter in the form of warm, hot intergalactic gas, or WIM, stretching between galaxies like invisible bridges. The intergalactic medium also plays a key role in how galaxies evolve. Young galaxies draw in cold gas from the intergalactic medium, fueling star formation. Later, when their stars and black holes blow gas back out, that material enriches the IgM with heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. Over cosmic time, the IgM becomes more complex, no longer just hydrogen and helium, but a blend of all the ingredients forged in stars. In this sense, the intergalactic medium is both the cradle and the grave of galaxies, where they draw life from and where they return their ashes. There's a poetic symmetry to it, too. Every breath you take, every atom in your body, was once part of that diffuse gas. Before the sun formed, before the Milky Way even existed, those atoms drifted through the intergalactic medium for billions of years. You could say we're literally made of the universe's leftovers, recycled stardust mixed into the cosmic fog. The IgM is our ancestral home, a reminder that the boundary between galaxies and the space between them isn't as clear as it seems. Looking to the future, new telescopes like the Square Kilometre Array and future X-ray missions will help us map the intergalactic medium in unprecedented detail. Scientists hope to trace the cosmic web in 3D, revealing how gas flows between galaxies and how dark matter shapes those flows. The intergalactic medium may even hold answers about how dark energy influences the large-scale structure of the universe. The better we understand the space between galaxies, the more we'll understand the universe as a whole. So what is the intergalactic medium? It's not empty space. It's the silent structure that connects everything. It's the universe's hidden fabric, woven from hydrogen, helium, and light itself. Galaxies are just the bright jewels on this cosmic thread. And every time you gaze at the night sky, remember, the darkness between the stars isn't truly dark. It's alive with the faint breath of the universe, the whisper of the intergalactic medium that binds it all together.